Hey, yeah, it's really early, so that's late. But yeah, so, I'm tired, and I was bored, so I thought I'd make this video. The dinner video will be up soon, I guess. I just need to, like, redo it, because I only did, like, one dinner on my own, because I was too lazy. It's a high YouTube on my feet, and it's now off because I walk around the house barefoot, and that's usually all I do. So either slippers or barefoot or socks. I don't like to wear shoes. Except for my dogs. Oh, I love them. People say they're from the last exorcism. Do they look like it? Nah. I don't think so. But yeah, just want to make a video saying, like, I'll do like a question and answer video like every like Saturday? I don't know. But yeah, I'll leave my phone screen, Twitter, and Facebook up, down, in there, down there. I am such a joy to be around now. That is why I'm single. Anyways, yeah. So just leave your questions, and yeah, I'll answer them. What is there, random chair sitting behind me? It was kind of creepy. Oh, I would move it, but it makes a lot of noise, so I'll move it later when I go to sleep, which I probably won't. I'm actually gonna try to stay up all day. I swear. So if you guys want to leave it now and keep me occupied, I'll do that. Then I can make the questions video like really easy, so. Okay, well, I'm gonna go try to keep myself occupied. Okay, cool. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye-bye.